Hello, Tom here. Before setting up an affiliate marketing campaign, you need an overview of how affiliate marketing works. That's what this lesson is all about. So the entire CPA affiliate marketing process looks like this. You choose an offer to promote. You send traffic to that offer. You get conversions on your offer. You optimize your campaign for better traffic, and then you send more traffic to your offer and hopefully make a profit. And there are three major parts that you need to focus on: your affiliate network, your tracking platform, and your traffic source. Let's examine this in more detail. To start, you need to choose an offer to promote. For this, we have affiliate networks. So these are networks which give you access to hundreds of different offers, from dating offers, payday loan offers, diet and supplement offers, to app install offers, and anything else you can think of. You need to choose an affiliate network and then open an account with them. In the affiliate network, you choose your offer and get a unique affiliate link, and you can send traffic to that link. As an affiliate marketer, you can either sign up to these affiliate networks or you can become an affiliate for individual products. Many online services offer affiliate signups. For example, you can sign up to be an affiliate with Bluehost and promote hosting. Or you can sign up to the Amazon affiliate program and get around 6% commission for each sale that occurs through your affiliate link. But in this lesson, I will be focusing on affiliate networks. I believe that this is the best way to start with affiliate marketing because many offers in affiliate networks have instant payouts and live tracking of conversions. I will do a more in-depth review of affiliate networks in another lesson. Basically, at this stage, you will choose the offer you want to promote. Next, you add your offer to your tracking platform. And a tracking platform gives you an insight into the visitors that click on your link. Having a tracking platform is not compulsory, but it's highly recommended. I will go into more detail of tracking later. For now, understand that you take the offer you want to promote and you add it to your tracking platform. Next, we have your traffic source. You want to drive traffic to your offer so that it converts. And a traffic source is the place where you buy visitors. A traffic source is an advertising network such as Bing ads, Facebook ads, or Propeller ads, just to name a few. When setting up your traffic source, you will need to create your creatives, and iCreative is basically an ad. Depending on where you are advertising, iCreative usually consists of a picture, a headline, some text, and a call to action. By call to action, I am referring to a button. So in summary, you choose an offer from an affiliate network, you add that offer to your tracking platform, then you create a campaign tracking link and you use it in your advertising campaigns. After you get visitors to your site, you can analyze the results and optimize your campaign. By optimize, I mean change the creatives, target different people, different websites, different devices, and perhaps different regions of a country. This is how the affiliate process looks. Now let's review some key affiliate marketing terms. Let's start with the affiliate link. In the affiliate network, you get your offer link, also known as a tracking link or an affiliate link. Here's a sample offer link. The ending of this link will usually have some kind of code to identify you as the affiliate. I have highlighted the ending here in yellow, and every network uses a different format, but it is similar and it's a part of your unique affiliate identification. To this basic affiliate link, you can add extra tracking information. You add this information in a placeholder, and every network will use different placeholders. Here's an example. And in this example, S1, S2, and S3 are the placeholders. They will store your data. So what type of information would you store in a placeholder? Well, if you are using a tracking platform, then you will have to add a click ID or a transaction ID. This is a unique integer that is assigned to every click. This is required for setting up a postback, and we will get to that in a second. Let me show you another way that you can use placeholders. If you are running an email campaign and an SMS campaign at the same time, you can separate these campaigns by generating one tracking link with the word email in S2 and a second tracking link with the word SMS in S2. Then when you run your campaign, you will see how many clicks came from your email campaign and how many clicks came from your SMS campaign. In your placeholders, you can also include information about the person who clicks the ad, such as which device they are using, your campaign ID, the mobile carrier they are using, which browser, which operating system, which website they are clicking. Please be aware that placeholders are different for every affiliate network that you use. Here's another example from a affiliate network. As you can see, instead of using S1, S2, and S3, the placeholder here is D_data 1, 2, and 3. If you are advertising an offer from a CPA affiliate network, then you have to know how to set up a postback link. A postback link integrates with a tracking platform. The purpose of the postback is to track conversions, so that once a conversion occurs in the affiliate network, that information is passed back to your tracking platform. In a sense, the postback is like a communication train that is delivering the latest stats back to your tracking platform. For a postback to work, you will need to use a unique click identifier, also known as the click ID. This is a unique value for every click to your offer. You will store the click ID in a placeholder in the initial offer link that you get from your affiliate network. Then, when you configure the postback link, you will call for this information. But you will learn how to set up a postback link in the tracking section of this course. And lastly, I would like to introduce you to the campaign link. This is the link that you use in your advertising campaigns. Your campaign link is generated by your tracking platform. In CPA affiliate marketing, you first configure your tracking platform with the offers, traffic source, and affiliate networks. Then you generate a campaign link so that all of your traffic is tracked. You have just learned the fundamentals of CPA affiliate marketing. If you are interested in learning how to apply this knowledge and start advertising as an affiliate, then I've created a training that focuses on this. Join today and you will learn how to set up a CPA affiliate marketing campaign from start to finish. You'll see me doing this through a series of step-by-step live examples. You learn how to track your affiliate campaign so that you know what is working, where to find advertising sources so that you can get as much traffic as you want. You learn the tools that you need in your advertising so that you can review and optimize your campaigns. And I want to take the risk away from you. So I am offering you a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the content, I will simply give you a refund. So let's get started. Click the link below to go to the course page. Enroll and you will get instant access to the training.